Hey, lots of green growing in my garden. Unfortunately, most of it is weeds. Forget that. Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Got the Voon look going again. Hey, it's getting close to summer. I gotta keep the hair out of my face and neck and being all sweaty and all that. Anyway, I'd almost forgotten to do my Shed Wars videos for this month, May. I haven't done any ones that would count towards the requirement of 2 videos per month that have gardening tips in it. So here's the first one for May. I'll do another one probably right after this. As I showed at the beginning, my garden is getting taken over by weeds. So I guess my tip for gardeners, the Shed Wars community, is don't do things the way I do them. Okay, there's a tip for you. Those of you that have that are starting a new garden, if you're trying to reclaim an area, you till it up, it's full of weeds or grass or whatever, it's gonna come back. And the right way to do it is like how Homestead DNA has been doing it. You'd till it up and then cover it with black plastic or something that would suppress the weeds, maybe even get hot and kill the weeds and the weed seeds. Well, oh great, it's starting to rain. Well, that's one of the problems that you see here. I've sort of neglected the garden, and because of that, the weeds have grown up. Well, they were just waiting to grow anyway, and we have been getting a lot of rain. And it hasn't been workable to be able to come out here because it's been well, in places it's gotten pretty mucky. Even though I changed the drainage over there to divert a lot of the water, there are still spots where it can kind of come in and muck up everything, and it's really hard to work muddy ground. Even if you have a solid spot to stand on, it comes up in big chunks, and it may pull up the plants that you're actually trying to weed next to. But so that's the tip is, if you are reclaiming ground or starting at a spot where you're going to have a new garden, you've got to be diligent in keeping the weeds down. I should have gone ahead and mulched almost immediately after planting, but like I said, we've been having rain on and off, and it's been difficult to get out here. I probably should have come out here and put black plastic down, and then planted, poked holes through it and planted through them. But even then, I think that could have been an issue with how much rain we've had. Most of that rainwater would have run off into places where I didn't have black plastic, and might have actually caused some erosion because there was nothing to keep, nowhere for it to soak in. So anyway, do what you can with what you have where you are, and God bless you all, and God bless all your efforts in your garden. See you next time.